Hello students. Once again, I am going to make you understand about the selecting and sowing of seeds of the first chapter of class 8 biology, crop production. In my last video, I have made you understand about the preparation of soil and minerals and manures and fertilizers. After preparation of soil and putting manures and fertilizers, now the field is ready for the selecting and sowing of seeds. Before going through this topic, we should know why the preparation of soil needed before sowing the seeds. Always remember, for sowing the seeds, favorable conditions are essential. Favorable conditions are needed for the growth and the germination of seeds. And what are these favorable conditions? They are moisture. Second one is air, and the third one is light, or you can say temperature, or you can say heat. So these three are the necessary conditions for the germination of seeds. So plowing of soil is done to get this all easily in the soil. Now I am going to make you understand about the selection and the sowing of seeds. When the soil gets ready, then farmers go and buy the seeds to sow in the field and to get good crops. This selection of seeds are done. Seeds are done by different processes, but the first very easy process is to see the seeds are healthy or not. And the easiest way to see what farmers do, they take some seeds and pour into the water. If seeds are floating on the water, it means seeds are not healthy. It means seeds does not consist or do not consist food in it. That is why they are floating. If there is food in the seeds, they'll surely settle down at the container. So before sowing the seeds, seeds are selected. And selection of seeds I made you understand very easily by pouring it in the water and selecting the seeds. One more thing they do, when they go for sowing the seeds, before sowing the seeds, seeds are treated with fungicides. Seeds are treated with fungicides. Why? Means what? A solution of fungicides is made, and in that solution seeds are poured and then they are sown. This is done to prevent the seeds from fungal infections. This treatment of seeds from fungicides done for the prevention of seeds from fungal infection. These days, the seeds which are taken or bought by the farmers, mostly they are HYV. HYV means high yielding variety. The seeds are of high yielding variety. These seeds are easily available in the market. High yielding variety means what? They are hybridized seeds. Hybridized seeds are having all the desired characters, because these seeds are made by collecting, or by, you can say, by adding some required characteristics of or variety of seeds to create one hybrid seeds. So HYV seeds are these days bought. Now let us go for the sowing of seeds. After treatment with fungicides, seeds are sown by two methods. The first method is broadcasting method. The first method is what called broadcasting method. In this method, it is very easy to go through this method. In a small piece of land, usually what farmers do, they simply take the seeds and throw on the soil. In the broadcasting method of seeding, simply seeds are thrown on the soil. But there are disadvantages of this broadcasting method. Advantage is what? That not much effort is taken. Not much effort is taken, simply seeds are thrown. But disadvantages are there, so much disadvantages. The first thing is there, seeds are seen. Seeds remains over the soil and that can be eaten up by the birds. जो सीड्स वो फेंकते हैं वो सीड्स मिट्टी के ऊपर रह जाता है, जो आसानी से चिड़ियों को दिख जाता है और वो खा लेती हैं. दूसरी चीज ये होती है इसमें, द सेकेंड थिंग इज दैट सीड्स आर नॉट यूनिफॉर्मली सोन, मीन्स नॉट एट द प्रॉपर डेप्थ एंड डिस्टेंस. Somewhere seeds are thrown in good number, somewhere there are far away from each other. So wherever seeds are sown together, not possibilities of proper growth and development. And wherever seeds are thrown away from each other, wastage of land simply. तो जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा सीड गिर गया है वहाँ प्रॉपर ग्रोथ नहीं होगा. इतनी थोड़ी सी मिट्टी में बहुत सारा प्लांट कैसे उगेगा? और जहां बहुत दूरी पे ये उगाया गया है, डाला गया है, तो वेस्टेज ऑफ लैंड है. सो दैट इज व्हाई दिस ब्रॉडकास्टिंग मेथड इज नॉट गुड फॉर सीडिंग. देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ दिस ब्रॉडकास्टिंग मेथड. द सेकेंड मेथड इज seeding or sowing the seeds with the help of seed drill. Sowing the seeds with the help of seed drill. What is the seed drill? Look at this picture. This is what the simple seed drill. A set of vertical long tubes. Can you see this? A set of vertical long tubes which is connected to the plow. This is what cultivators, tractor cultivator, or it is connected with the wooden plow also. Can you see this funnel-like structure? What is done? Seeds are taken and put in this funnel-like structure. Through this funnel, by this tube, vertical tubes, it goes to the plow. And when the tractor move or the plow move, then what happen? This plow makes the furrow inside the soil. ये मिट्टी के नीचे गड्ढा बनाता जाता है और इस ट्यूब से प्रॉपर डेप्थ पर सीड्स जाता चला जाता है. तो देयर इज नो चांस ऑफ sowing the seeds at the same place, and at the same time there is no chance of seeds remain over the surface of soil. So what does it ensure? This seed drill ensures the sowing of seeds at the proper depth and distance. So you can say uniform sowing. The seed drill ensures uniform sowing. So instead of broadcasting method, these days farmers like to go through the sowing of seeds through these seed drill. Second thing is there in this selecting and sowing of seeds, another thing is there, transplantation. One more process is there which is known as transplantation. Transplantation is the process by which seeds are sown in a small piece of land. And when the plants grow or 3 or 4 leaves starts coming in the plant, then they are transferred to the main field. First of all, they are sown, the seeds are sown in a small piece of land. You can say nursery. In the nursery it is sown, and when plants start growing, when some leaves starts appearing in the plants, then they are transferred in the main field. And this process is known as transplantation. Example we may give. Paddy means rice plant. Tomatoes. These all are first of all sown in the nursery and then transferred in the main field. So today we have completed selecting and sowing of seeds. This is right after the preparation of soil. I hope you people have understood or you understand everything what I taught you. If you understand, then please like, share and subscribe. and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you.